In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the multi-row card visualization in Power BI. Start by opening your Power BI report and making sure your data is loaded. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the Visualizations pane, which is where you choose and configure all your visuals. This is your control panel for building exactly what you want to show on the canvas. Next, add a multi-row card to your report by selecting it from the Visualizations pane. It looks like a small group of cards laid out in rows. As soon as you click it, a placeholder appears on your canvas. Go ahead and click the visual to make sure it's selected. When it's active, you'll see its settings and fields in the Visualizations pane, ready for you to work with. With the visual selected, drag the data you want to display into the Data Fields section within the Visualizations pane. As you drop each field in, it appears instantly on the multi-row card. Each field becomes its own mini card, making it perfect for showing key numbers like total sales, average order value, or the number of customers all side by side. If you add a measure, Power BI will show that measure's calculated result. If you add a column, Power BI will summarize it automatically, and you can change how it summarizes by using the drop-down next to the field to switch between options like sum, average, count, or first, depending on what makes the most sense for your data. Keep the visual selected so you can see its properties. This is where you can refine how everything looks and reads. You can adjust the font size so the numbers stand out, toggle category labels on or off to control whether field names appear, and tweak display units and decimal places to make large numbers easier to read. Reordering fields in the Data Fields section will also change the order of the cards on screen. So put the most important metrics at the top. If you want a clearer label, you can give the field a friendly name right in the Visuals field, well without changing the underlying model. As you make changes, watch the canvas update in real time. That immediate feedback makes it simple to dial in the exact layout and emphasis you want without overcomplicating your design. And that's all there is to it. You've added a multi-row card, selected it to access its properties, and dragged in the fields you want to showcase. It's a quick, effective way to highlight key metrics at a glance and keep your report clean, focused, and informative.